There is a very, very old concept in human beings. It's not a scientific concept, but its roots are very deep, and it is just part of our psyche. As T.S. Eliot said, that whether we like or not, whether we believe or not, God is there in us. Now the question is that as the present day violence, particularly in the Middle East, is going, is due to a discussion that this brand of God is justified, that that brand of God is not valid. So we all should keep in mind God is, whether it is one, two, three, four kinds of God. If the very phenomenon of God, the idea of God, is wrong, it is wrong for every religion. And if it is right, it is right for every religion, and it is one. Bhagwan, Allah, God, Jehovah, whatever you name him or her, is right. And the universal moral themes are but one. And these themes are that everyone should be peaceful, loving, kind to other humans, should be truthful, and the people should live happily, helping one another, and they should not be ruthless. So this is a very idea, and the main thing we must keep in mind: who is our enemy? Our common enemy of all the humanity, is the extremist among us. My extremist standing outside my home, outside my just room, is my enemy. Your first enemy is your extremist standing outside you, which belongs to your religion. So just treat those extremists, then just come up with the idea of accepting the emotions and belief systems of everyone. So, if we come to the present day announcement of forcibly Nobel laureate Mr. Trump or Netanyahu, who just sat alone and made a draft of a peace resolution with just with the consent of, apparent consent of most docile and shameless Muslim leaders. What kind of peace is that? The same death and destruction is continuing in Gaza, and same death is being distributed in UK to Jewish people, but killed mercilessly. So this violence will beget violence. Accept all kinds of gods, all kinds of beliefs. If I respect certain set, you respect certain set of idioms, we love them, and we should just give respect to each other. What Trump and the Muslim leaders along with him and Netanyahu offered is a very horrible thing. We should look at it again, and we should just go to respect one another and to just reject every kind of leader or common person who is extremist or biased. Thank you.